welcome back. I am Reep and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today's unboxing is very special, but is also bittersweet because on one hand, I'm glad that I was able to get this shoe. I really wanted this shoe. From the initial images, I wanted this shoe, regardless of the name and nickname of the shoe or whatever behind it, the hype around it. I really wanted this shoe. So, happy to get it, but I paid entirely too much for this shoe. I shouldn't have paid as much as I did, but I had to get it. So, let's go ahead and get into it. So, it's a GOAT pickup. So, that's why I said I paid too much. But they were cheaper, or they were under market because the box is damaged, apparently. And I plan on putting these in a clear container with the rest of my shoes of this, of this category, I guess, as you can say. But you already know what time it is in the thumbnail and the title. So I don't even know why I'm acting like you don't. Well, I guess this is the damage. And it's not as bad as I thought because the description said severely damaged, but here you go. You got the Reebok, regular box. Straight from GOAT, question mid. Oh, almost dropped it. Size 12, of course. Let's go ahead and get into this joint. Oh, they switched it up. Okay. The GOAT. They have the GOAT. GOAT has the new verification tag. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Definitely glad I got this pair in hand. As you can see, I had to get the yellow toe questions, man. AKA the Kobe PEs. But yeah, we'll definitely get into a close-up view. I know I'm late on this, but it's all good, man. It's all good. I didn't get the GOAT sticker as well. Well, I guess this wasn't the Shoe Palace promo pair, you know what I'm saying, with the, I guess the contract and everything, but I'm not complaining. Let's go ahead and get into this close-up look of these. So, getting started. Of course, you have that leather going through the side of the shoe, tumbled leather, I should say. And then you have that Reebok logo right there in the middle. Purple Reebok outline, the yellow stitching fills it in. You have the Reebok going down the eyelets, the yellow tab with the purple stitching. What else? We have the air unit, the Hexalite unit. I'm sorry, I'm so used to Nike. I'm saying air unit. You got the Hexalite, the honeycomb as everybody calls it, and purple and yellow. Then the yellow toe, of course. That's where the name comes from. Yeah, that soft suede or felt. Oh, it's kind of like if you have a Dreamed It hoodie or Styled by D Borders. I'm tripping. Styled by Dream. I cannot get this joint right, yo. Oh my god. Styled by D Borders or Dreamed It hoodie. Then you know what the material is I'm talking about. Then going up the tongue, you definitely have that mesh, white mesh tongue, leather on the top with their Reebok logo as well. Going on the other side, you have the Reebok logo on the eyelets, yellow tag still with the purple stitching. And on the back, you have another like suede velvet felt heel tab, yellow, and then you have the question logo stitched in purple. Then you have the Iverson 3 on the back, stitched as well. And then on your insole, you have the Shoe Palace promo, property of Reebok, and the date that Kobe wore the shoe. 12/8/2002. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this review. You know, short and sweet. It's not too much to this shoe as far as, you know, like crazy details, but it's just a clean shoe. Colorway execute. I can't even talk on this video. I guess that's showing you how excited I am, because I'm nervous right now reviewing these. I don't know why. I'm just talking to a camera, but I'm so nervous I can't even get my words up. So, well executed colorway. The materials, I mean, decent materials for a Reebok, you know, nothing too crazy, but we've seen worse. So it's definitely a good cop. Like I said, I overpaid for these, but they're here now. The damage has been done. I'm glad I did it. I think the prices are going down now, so, you know, hindsight 2020, I could have waited, but I wasn't sure if the prices were going to keep rising, so I bought them. Whatever. Money spent, but it's all good. Get it back. Well, yeah, crazy colorway. Even though they're the Laker PE or the Kobe PE, I wanted them for the Laker colors. So yeah, one last look. Can we focus? There we go. Yellow toe questions. It's been your boy Reebok, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and I am excited.